Hey guys, today we're playing Mumpy on the Shelf. Mumpy.
I'm gonna tag you if you don't get on shelves, like right now.
I had to do my intro, man.
Right,
Your
get
intro.
on shelves. You got 3 seconds. 3.
I'm making a team, baby girl.
Alright, go. Alright.
What do you
Delete this
delete?
first.
Oh, that's tough.
Can you go somewhere? I'm watching you. You're the only one left.
Bro, you're putting a lot of pressure on me.
You're
putting a lot of pressure on me, man.
I didn't
You're like
fall.
this. You're like this. You're breathing
I
on
didn't
my
fall.
neck right now.
You didn't.
That's how you were. You're sure breathing on my neck.
What do you do next? This shelf is gone. This shelf right here is gone.
That's a
You mean the
shell?
wall?
This wall. This wall. Yeah, shut up. This wall.
You just Wait, are both walls gone?
I think Pink Monkey failed.
No, it didn't. I have footage of me making it.
No,
I mean,
damn it. What do you mean?
I'm a
I didn't
poocher.
know.
Hey, I'm
I'll let
getting
y'all go.
something.
I'll let y'all go. I'll let y'all go for this one. You will? Mm-hmm.
Alright, go shoot. Come here. Where are you at?
I'm doing something.
What?
Hold on. I'm doing something. Selves. Pink done something. Alright, next thing we're deleting. So, this is deleted. And this is deleted. Right.
Yeah. What else
This
is?
right here is deleted.
Alright. Let's go. Free walk back.
I'm fucking retarded.
No, I didn't.
What are you doing? You jumped in front of me. Stop it.
Bro, you laughing on me? Bro, you gotta be laughing. Here, I'm still in. I'm still in. Pink Monkey failed for sure. Touch the wall. Okay, I won. Everyone, attack on Pink.
It's Attack on Pink.
Attack on Pink.
Not Attack on Titans, Attack on Pink.
Attack on Pink is the new episode.
Stop!
I don't know what you're talking about. Season 7, bro. Season 7. Season 5. Nah, bro. We skipped to season 7, bro. Yes! Freaking monkey's 300 meters tall, bro. Pink is 300 meters.
Nah, bro, we did the monkeys.
The monkey. The 2-meter monkey, bro. The 2-meter monkey.
Season 5, episode 1. We turned into monkeys.
Did you just say Attack on Titan? I'm gonna get canceled.
200-meter colossal titan.
Hurry up. What are you deleting?
Attack on monkey. Attack on lava monkey. That's what.
The couches.
That's a whole new show.
This couch.
Alright.
No way.
I have a god play. So I don't like playing this anymore.
Oh,
That's the one.
Bro, you.
Twice. Bro,
Twice.
I'm still in. Alright, what do you delete next?
The other couch.
What do you delete?
Oh my god, that is so toxic.
Alright, I'm finally going back. Okay?
You guys,
I was
stupid
doing my
monkey.
I did it.
That's
I
all.
I get a free walk back, right?
Yeah.
Walk back. Alright, round 3, where are you deleting?
Well, he didn't make it yet. Yeah, he
Everyone
did.
shelves.
This wall.
What are you deleting? Got you.
Move.
Wait, can I just do this?
Yeah, you really could. But you can't make that jump now. It's the roof.
Someone, how'd you do that?
He almost tagged me! I did.
No!
Now I'm deleting this wall.
Come back.
Bro, you were making the most toxic freaking.
This wall's gone. You literally.
I'm
Both
right
of these
here.
walls are
I
gone and the
think
couches
I
are gone.
had the same idea. Lava Boy, you failed, bruh.
I failed. You won. Good job.
I jumped. Oh my god, baby girl.
What do you delete?
He's gonna tag us because I ran into him on accident.
What do you delete?
Don't tag us.
You're over there and I got tagged. He actually tagged you. What do you delete?
Free walk back?
Can I get a free walk back? Free walk back, please?
Black,
I mean-
I saw that. You failed. I saw that. Bro, off Brenda Kevin. Don't look at me. Don't look at me.
Round 2, where are we going for round 2?
I don't like this. I feel like they're
Alright,
just gonna.
we're deleting that whole area. We're deleting this whole area.
Not one thing.
Bro,
This
that
whole
counts
thing.
as one.
I still going this hat thing. I'm still going the hat thing.
Like,
Wait, what's everything that's deleted? What's everything that's deleted?
everything
That's
counts as one. This all counts as one. Everyone knows that.
Oh, okay. Wait,
Alright,
that's,
bro, Pink, I saw that.
I wasn't playing. I was messing around. Okay.
Okay, you're
This
still
is
in. Deleted, mass deleted.
I'm still in, bro.
I won.
All right, good job. Go. All right, you get your free walk back. Do you own that? Do you own that sparkler?
No.
Well, this ain't gonna be that hard.
Yes, it is. Oh, attack on white, bro. Attack on white. Come here, bitch.
Bitch.
Attack on white. Attack on black. Attack on multicolor, bro. No.
Yo, that's pretty racist, bro.
Season 15. Guys, this is season 15.
Bro,
Episode
come here.
5.
No. I got another game.
Let's play shells.
All right, first thing I delete is this right here, this couch.
I have another. Okay.
All right, delete this couch. You didn't die.
You hit that.
Ooh.
You hit that.
Why are you running?
It's all that.
Touch the floor.
Okay. Oh, you did? I didn't touch that. Yeah, you did. Don't be annoying.
I'm not gonna stay.
Follow me, White.
Attack on 3 monkeys. Attack on. Oh, you can play this game. Oh, come here.
Hey, Lava, you're poo poo.
Attack on White.
Oh fuck.
Attack on White and Pink. Where's the other? Oh.
I'm in forest.
Pink. Oh, shoot. Attack on PW. Attack on PW.
Ninjas?
I
Hot.
like how we're just making fun of like a whole bunch of Attack on Titan things.
Ninja is so hot. Ninja? Yeah? He's my fucking
That
guy.
ninja's so hot. Oh, Winky. It doesn't blame me. Stop.
Yo, I have a game now.
No, we put
Bro.
him in.
Where are you? Bro, what are you doing? Stop.
Come on.
Dude! No, I'm leaving.
Because I tagged you as a doke.
Bro, because I'm trying to get over and you're not letting
Get
me.
get over here.
Oh, yeah.
Black, you can't be black. That's racist.
No one sees me.
Bro said.
One shot.
I'm on. I'm just like Jojo.
You're safe, alright.
I was deleting first. You deleting first.
This couch.
He's copying my strat.
Let's go win.
Saw you.
Hey, lava monkeys.
Dude, I didn't even touch the floor.
He's gonna tag us
Free
now.
walk.
Okay, free walk. I got a free walk. Ain't no way you tagging everyone.
You're not on the shelf. You're not safe. You're not on the shelf.
He said
You
free
was
walk.
safe. You got a free walk
Idiots. Idiots.
Bro, it shouldn't be cool. There's one idiot. You saw nothing.
And that's you because obviously
You didn't know how you're there. But it's not supposed to be a pool. You gotta be that stupid to not know how to put a pool. You're canyons. See this pink fur. Bro, you good? I hear you breathing over there.
Ben is like playing Gorilla Tag with his life.
Yeah, I saw that happen in slow-mo.
Hey, baby girl. Yo, let's just play tag.
5 seconds or I'm gonna tag you.
No, you can tag anyone. You can tag anyone. Lava, stop. People on shelves.
Wait, what?
Are you
Wait!
counting? No, you haven't counted yet. I have. No.
Luckily, I'm a YouTuber and that makes me good at the game, apparently.
Hey, are you gonna get back to gaming?
fucking Dream reference. I'm done.
Hello? Oh, you lucky son. I know JJ reference.
If I have to get on shelf to win, let me just pretend.
Get his toes sucked. Don't think you're gonna run from me! I have extreme tag lag!
I have a game. Everybody should go back there. No.
I'm tagging everyone on shelf. I'm tagging
He said he's tagging everybody on shelf.
Oh no!
I'm black. I'm black.
Go, hurry up, go. Speed boost. Go. Fine, you wanna go pink? Bet. This is for your life.
Not again! No!
Good idea.
But no! Ninja, yeah, he's my fucking guy.
Why do you have your hands like this?
Cause he's a happy.
Be on shelves.
I can't stop him.
See, the thing is, you're the last one.
The thing is, you're the last one. You're on the shelf. You're gonna be on that shelf!
I'm not. I kinda can't get out.
I don't know why you following. I don't know why you guys following.
I keep falling, and I'm getting depressed.
Bro, I can hear y'all following behind me. I'm not that deaf. Why do you have your controllers crossed? I don't know.
No.
Yes, it does. It makes you faster.
No, it doesn't. Let me try.
Technically.
I'm seeing if he's accurate.
Hey, let me see. Do you run faster? I want to test it out too.
Hold up. Wait a minute. He's lag. Because I just saw him stuck. Or I have lag.
I think it makes you go faster.
Yo, secret monkey? Little monkey? It does make you faster. Because he's... Whoa. Okay, I must have lag.
No.
Everyone to shelf. Everyone to shelf as fast as you can.
This man went for the jump button.
Everyone to shelf as fast as you can. Everyone to shelf as fast as you can.
Bro, he has speed boost. He has speed boost.
I have big monkey cock.
Should we play Ghost in the Graveyard?
I don't know what that game is.
Where's he at? Go! Black, get on the shelf. He's right outside. Hey, what's up, man? Hey, I'm on the shelf. I'm on the shelf. Back up. On the shelf. On the shelf.
Oh no, my game is lagging, and I'm very laggily getting closer.
Bro said I'm very likely getting closer.
He's just gonna tag us.
Alright.
I think
My game's lagging! Oh no! Oh no, I can't! You're
Bro,
it.
I'm lagging terribly.
I don't care.
My
I'm not
game-
getting on the shelves. I don't want to follow those rules. I don't want to follow those
I'm going. Come in. Bro, I'm on the shelf. Oh, monkeys, I'm finna tickle your butthole.
Oh.
Monkeys.
They're not in forest. It's a long vid. I forgot I was even recording.
Oh, monkey.
Black.
That was Hey guys, go on each side of mines. He's in mines, guys.
He's not in mine.
Then what is that running sound?
You.
Everyone to shelves as fast as you can. Everyone to shelves as fast as you can.
Oh, go. Go. Dude, he's gonna get our cheeks. No. He's gonna get clapped.
White, don't go yet.
I knew it.
No, you were just camping right there.
Fuck! Fuck!
He's going mines. Alright,
Send me a dick pic, why don't you?
No, you're not. He's in mines. I'll see him. Bro, I have actual lag. He's going up. Hey, Monkey, camp up there. Monkey, camp up there. I got him. Camp up there. Yes, good job, Monkey. Bro, you're up there. Bro, you're lagging. You're lagging for me. Stop.
Ouch.
Why did I agree to have these controllers crossed, bro? Makes it worse.
There's your 360 done.
He's right here.
I'm stuck.
Y'all monkeys must not know how to do that. He missed the jump. He's going back up. He's back on the road, boys. Climb the trees. Climb the trees higher than him.
I'm dreaming this.
Oh, it sounds like he's hit something.
Where did the controller just go? I would've got it. Guys, we're all
I think you're last.
We're all good now. Monkey, where you at? Back piece to not be on. I don't know where my back piece is. Hey, Monkey, where you guys at?
He's in city, man.
Alright. Go chase him, go chase him.
Shut up. He's coming through. He's coming through the tunnel.
No! No!
Bro, on my screen, he was still up there.
Get the shelves.
Okay, let's go. I'm too lag.
Oh, my bad. Don't worry, I'll make it up for it.
And then you're gonna really hey, have you watched that? Have you watched that video?
Hi.
I don't got my socks, bro. Where's he at? He left. What?
What the? Guys, we need to get more people.
Bro, Bozo, I just clipped you.
saw you.
Soggy?
Yes, I saw you.
That's gonna be all for this video.
Did you literally leave the video?